Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the issue of Uber Eats if Uber Eats shows unable to contact driver. First, ensure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Poor network may prevent the app from connecting. Then, open the Uber app and then Uber your order. Then tap the contact driver option. After that, use or call the in-app chat option. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Uber Eats, swipe it away, closing it completely, then reopen it. Next, try contacting the driver again. Sometimes the driver may be delayed or temporarily unavailable. Wait for a few minutes. If you cannot reach the driver, go to help your orders, the delivery issue and report the problem to Uber Eats support. That's how to fix the Uber Eats unable to contact driver issues, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.